Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you go about linking up your bank account to your Robinhood account through the Robinhood app on your smartphone. So we're going to launch the Robinhood app. And then from the homepage of the Robinhood application, if you go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your little profile image down here, that'll take us to our account profile page. What we want to do from here is in the upper right-hand corner, click on these three horizontal lines. That'll open us up the menu. And then from the menu, we want to click on where it says Transfers. And then on the transfers page, if we scroll down, we can find where it says linked accounts, and we want to click on the little plus sign next to where it says add new account. And then this takes us to the next page where we're going to use Plaid to link our online bank account. So what we want to do is click on continue at the bottom. And then search for your specific bank. They have some of the more popular ones listed right here that you can click on. And if you don't see your bank, you can just click the little search area and type in your particular bank. So for me, I'm going to type in SoFi because I'm going to link up my SoFi bank account and click on SoFi.com. Of course, it's going to be different depending on which online bank that you're going to be linking up to your Robinhood account. So then it's going to ask you for your online credentials, how you would log in to your bank account. So for me, it's asking for the email and password associated with my SoFi bank. I enter that in here and then click submit. And then it's asking to verify my identity through a two-factor authentication code that they sent me through a text message. So I copied that down, pasted it right here, and then click answer. And then if you've entered everything correctly, it should be successful. Continue to finish linking your bank. So I'm going to click continue. It's asking how would I like to fund my Robinhood account. So I'm going to click on the SoFi Money option. And that'll take us back to our transfers page, and we can see in our linked accounts that I now have my SoFi Money bank account linked up. It is verified and ready to go. So these are the steps that you go through to link up a bank account to your Robinhood account through the app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.